In this video, we will discuss the first topic of application of derivative, that is rate of change of quantities. Up to now, we find out dy by dx. Dy by dx means what? Derivative of y with respect to x. And the meaning of this is what? Rate of change of y with respect to x. Okay, dy by dx means what? Rate of change of y with respect to x. So using this fact, we will use derivative in uh, finding the rate of change of quantities. Suppose if you write ds upon dt, means it is rate of change of displacement with respect to time, and what we get, it is velocity. Means here it is rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Means f dash x is what? Rate of change of that function with respect to x. So suppose we have to find out rate of change of y with respect to x at a particular time, particular point, sorry. Then we will represent it by x is equal to x0. Means at x0, what is the rate of change of y with respect to x at particular point? What is the rate of change of y with respect to x? And it is also represented by f dash x0. Okay, so with the help of some examples, we will solve these problems. Further, we will discuss two variables. Suppose x and y are the two variables, and both varies with respect to another variable. Suppose both varies with respect to t, and we have to find out the rate of change of y with respect to x. Means this varies with respect to t, y also varies with respect to t. So what we do, we find out dx by dt and dy by dt. Then with the help of chain rule, we can find out dy upon dx. This is what? Dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. So in this way we can find out the rate of change. Now one more thing, dy by dx may be negative or positive. The value of dy by dx means value of derivative may be positive or negative. Means if it is negative, then y decreases as x increases, and if it is positive, then y increases as x increases. Now we will solve example number 1 on the basis of this concept. Here it is given that find the rate of change of area of a circle per second with respect to its radius when radius is equal to 5 centimeter. So we know that area of circle we represent it by a, that is pi r square. We have to find out the rate of change of area with respect to its radius. So we will differentiate it with respect to r. So on differentiating with respect to r, what we get? dA upon dr, means rate of change of area with respect to radius, and it is pi r square. इसका होगा 2r, तो 2 pi r हो जाएगा. ठीक है. And we have to find out rate of change of area with respect to radius when r is equal to 5 centimeter. So this will be what? 2 pi, and value of r is what? 5. So into 5. So it is 5 to 10 pi. It is what? Area, and unit of area is what? Centimeter square per radius, and unit of radius is what? Centimeter. So the rate of change of area with respect to radius will be what? 10 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Example 2, the volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 9 cubic centimeter per second. How fast is the surface area increases when the length of edge is 10 centimeter? Here two things we have to assume, that edge of the cube and volume. If let edge of cube is equal to x centimeter, then volume V is equal to x cube. Volume of cube is what? Side cube. Now here we have to find out what is given. Sorry, here it is given that rate of change of volume is given. So given rate of change of volume is equal to 9 cubic centimeter, 9 centimeter cube, and rate of change of volume is what? dV upon dt. It is per second, means with respect to time. ठीक है, per second means with respect to time है, and it is 9. And what is dV upon dt? V is what? X cube. So d upon dx cube upon dt is equal to 9. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो इसका होगा 3x स्क्वायर, लेकिन ये x है और हम इसको t के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, तो ये dx अपॉन dt इज इक्वल टू 9. सो dx अपॉन dt इज इक्वल टू 9 अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर. तो 3 3 जा 9 और 3 1 जा 3x स्क्वायर. So dx upon dt, sorry, what we get? dx upon dt is equal to 3 upon x square. Here what we have to find out? Rate of change of its surface area. So surface area of cube is we represent by it by a, and it will be what? 6x square. Now on differentiating with respect to t, so what we have? dA upon dt is equal to 6 into x square का हो जाएगा 2x into dx upon dt. तो आपको मिल जाएगा dA upon dt is equal to 12x into dx upon dt is what? 3x square. 3 upon x square means 12 3 जा 36 और x and x cancel, 36 upon x. But we have to find out rate of change of area when age is equal to 10 centimeter, x is equal to 10 centimeter. So it is 36 upon value of x will be what? 10, means 3.6, and the unit will be area upon time, means centimeter square per second. Example 3. It is a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and wave moves in circle at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. At an instant when the radius of circular wave is 10 centimeter, how fast is enclosed area increasing? Enclosed area increasing means we have to find out rate of change of area, and the waves are moves at the speed of 4 centimeter per second, means what is given? Rate of change of radius is given. Here we assume let radius be r, then area A is equal to pi r square. Now what is given? Given in this question, rate of change of rate of change of radius is given, that is dr upon dt is equal to 4 centimeter per second. This is given, dr upon dt. We have to find out the rate of change of its area. Now A is equal to what? Pi r square on differentiating with respect to t. We have to find out rate of change of what area with respect to t. So it is dA upon dt is equal to 2 pi r, r स्क्वायर का 2r हो जाएगा तो 2r इंटू डी आर अपॉन डी टी, क्योंकि ये फंक्शन आर में है और हम इसको टी के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफ्रेंशिएट करें, इसलिए डी आर अपॉन डी टी, जैसा हमने इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन में पढ़ा था। तो डी आर अपॉन डी टी की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे 2 पाई आर इंटू डी आर अपॉन डी टी इज वॉट 4, ये जाएगा 4 2 जा 8 पाई आर स्क्वायर। So this implies d upon dt is equal to 8 pi r. Now we have to find out dA upon dt when that r radius is what 10 centimeter, means r is equal to 10 centimeter. So it is 8 pi into 10, 8 10 ja 80 pi. So it is area with respect to time. Area means centimeter square and time is second. So this will be 80 pi centimeter per second. Number 4. In that example it is given that the length x of a rectangle is decreased at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. So length is what x and the rate of change of this length is, and it is decreasing होगा तो हम इसको नेगेटिव लिखेंगे, -3 सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट, and the width y, width means breadth, the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute, means dy upon dt is equal to 2 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6, find the rate of change of its perimeter and area of rectangle. We have to find out rate of change of perimeter and area. So first of all, we find out rate of change of perimeter. So perimeter will be what? Represented by P. Perimeter is 2 into length plus width. So length is x and width is y. On differentiate with respect to t. So it is dt upon dt is equal to 2 into dx upon dt plus dy upon dt. Then we will put the value 2 dx upon dt is given -3, dy upon dt is given 2, -3 plus 2 is -1. So it is 2 minus 1 is equal to -2, and dp upon dt. अगर हम कंडीशन भी लगा दें, इसमें गिवन है कि एट x इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर, तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल x और y की टर्म नहीं है तो वो -2 ही रहेगा। नाउ सेकंड इज एरिया. Area is what? Length into width, x into y, and we represent area by a. And now on differentiating with respect to t, so what we have dA upon dt is equal to, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो ये होगा, y को छोड़ दें, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो dx upon dt. अब x को छोड़ दिया और y को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो dy upon dt. Putting the values, we will get dA upon dt is equal to dy upon dt is what? Sorry, dx upon dt is -3. So it will be -3 by dy upon dt is 2. So it is 2x. Now we have to find out rate of change of area when this x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. So this will be -3 into y. Y is what? 6. plus 2 into x. X is what? 10. So it is 6 3 is 18 plus 2 10 is 10. This is 2. Now the unit area per time. So area is centimeter square, time is second. Here also unit is what? Perimeter per time. Perimeter is what? Centimeter, and time is what? Second. Unit of time is what? Second.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो